Hi guys, you're welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a modern S logo just like you're seeing on my screen. I'll be walking you through the design. We'll be using the smart fill tool. So I'll be walking you through the design process on how you can achieve something like this on your own and create something beautiful like for your clients. So let's jump to my screen as we take up the design process. So our major tool for this video is going to be the smart fill tool. Here's the smart fill tool. What the smart fill tool does is that it helps you to create objects from overlapping areas and apply fill to those objects. Don't worry, I'll explain that in a well explanatory form. So what it does is that it helps you select objects in an overlapping way. I will do an example. Take for instance, if I have something like this is a rectangle, so if I lap it like this with the smart fill tool, I can select this object like this. Oh yeah, that's right. So I've taken, are you seeing what's happening? So that may not be too obvious, so let me do it again. So I'll just select this one. So whatever is overlapping, you can use your smart fill tool to get that shape. So this is what we'll be doing in this video. So let's start our design process. So the first thing I want to do is to take my rectangle tool and I'll hold down my control button and draw to have a perfect square. Keep this in the middle. So next thing I want to do is to bring my ruler and I'll place it in the middle because it's at the center. That's perfect. So I'll just come here and click on the box once. I'll click again to have this view and I'll rotate it that like this. Once it's on the line, okay, that's perfect. Next thing I have to do now is to duplicate. I'll press plus on my keyboard. I can do copy, that's Ctrl V and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, copy and paste. So I have that like that. I'll just reduce this a bit, see on the line. Take this, so that's that. So we have that. You can choose to reduce it further. Okay, this is better. So this is where we'll start creating our overlapping. So I'll just take my line to freehand and I'll pick this node. I'll join it with this node. That's perfect. I want to make it overlap, so I'm going to hold shift and drag it down. So we have that overlap fill. First, and next now is to duplicate this line by pressing plus. Now click on it to have this fill. So I'll just rotate. Once the line is straight, you know that it's perfect, just like this. Okay, this is perfect. So I'll just select that, adjust it a bit. I want to make it beautiful. So that's perfect. I'll just move this up like this. Then I don't want this extra overlap, so I'll just hold my shape tool and hold shift. Then I'll bring it down, maybe something like this. So that's fine. So what I want to do next is I'll just select that and I'll apply the smart fill. So I'll just click on it, fill this part, and have that. So I'll just delete this. Remember, it's doing an overlapping fill, so I'll just select it. In fact, let me take it out so you see what it looks like. I'll hold shift to select the both of them and take it out like that. So that's fine. I'll just delete this. So we have something like this already. I'll place this in the middle. No. Ctrl G to group, P to keep in the middle. So we have that one. We are not done yet, but we'll be done very soon. So next I'll do this too. mirror this image. But before then, I'll duplicate it. I'll press plus on my screen, on my keyboard rather. So I've duplicated that. I'll mirror it um, horizontally and vertically. Then I'll bring it down. Hold shift to do that. Okay, almost there. So this is it. So I have something like this. So the next thing is to give it your normal color, the color you intended to use for the brand. But before then, I will group this, Control U to group. So this line you are seeing is showing that okay, they are not the same. So I'll just give this part a shade of black, and I'll give this part a darker shade to show the difference. I'll do same here on group. Or you press Ctrl, I'll give this a shade of red, give this part a darker shade. So we have that set. You can now group and probably give it a name. Maybe the name of the brand is Sunv, SUNV, no, SUNVIRB, properties, PROPRTRES. If you are given a contract to create a logo for a brand and it has to do with S, you could just work with something like this. You could explore more. So like I said, if you are new to this channel, you can do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and ensure you like this video so that more persons can see it as well. So I'll just make this bold. I think 16, so this is perfect. Then I'll give it a red color. Keep it. It's perfect. So thank you. Okay, that's the end of our training for today. So thank you very much for staying today. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, do it to subscribe and like this video so that more persons can see it. I create videos like this all the time, so you need to turn on notification bell. When I create videos like this, you'll be notified and you can watch to learn and improve your graphic design skill. Thank you very much for staying today, and see you at the better side of life.